what's up everybody? It's Chris Jackson, your internet sales guy here at Bumpus Harley-Davidson of Jackson, Tennessee. Today I have this 2018 Road King. It is in the Twisted Cherry color. Really gorgeous color. I've always loved this paint. This bike is in really good shape. Doesn't have a whole lot done to it. It does have a stage one. You got the Screamin Eagle high flow intake, and you got some S&S slip-ons, some Harley-Davidson grips on here, Harley mirrors, brand new tires front and rear, and of course it's been fully inspected and make sure maintenance is up to date, all that good stuff. A little bit of kind of a scuff mark on the fender here. Like a different horn on there. Do have some extra, I believe those are the custom dynamics LED lights that go in there. See a brand new tire in the rear. Those are LED brake light and turn signals in there as well. You do have a boo-boo right here on the saddlebag. It's really the only major scratch or anything in the paint. Miles, you got 14,500 miles. Yeah, really good looking Road King. Sounds really good with that S&S exhaust. Alright. If you think this could be your next bike, inquire about it here on the website or give me a call at 731-422-5508. Better yet, come see this thing in person and take it for a test ride.